Hi, I'm Kristen McCutcheon with the Mac Realty team at Keller Williams Cary, and I'm pleased to present to you 3545 Dixon Road, located in Durham, North Carolina. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Hope Valley charmer has gorgeous site-finished hardwood floors, a gourmet kitchen with a gas range, wine fridge, and quartz countertops. What I love most about this home is that it's practically new. It was completely renovated professionally in 2020. What's really unique about this property is that it has not just one, but 2 owner suites, one being upstairs and another being down. Experiencing the joy of well-planned living. Now come make 3545 Dixon Road your home.